Here are different ways to say I don't know, depending on tone and situation. Neutral, everyday. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I have no idea. I have no idea. I don't have the answer. I don't have the answer. I'm unsure. I'm unsure. I'm not certain. I'm not certain. Polite, formal. I'm afraid I don't know. I'm afraid I don't know. I don't have that information. I don't have that information. I'm not in a position to say. I'm not in a position to say. I'm not familiar with that. I'm not familiar with that. I'll need to check. I'll need to check. Casual, conversational. No clue. No clue. Beats me. Beats me. Not sure, honestly. Not sure, honestly. I can't tell. I can't tell. Don't ask me. Don't ask me.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.